No,
but yeah, man,
this is like much more material which is like suitable for us rather than like using only like concrete and synthetic insulation material, and then they give like asbestos to your house and you get cancer from this shit and whatnot.
Hello everybody.
Namaste.
Namaste ji, namaste. Boom Bholenath. So we are here in middle of Tulga, Kalga, Pulga. There is a very nice place in between the bushes where you have all the corn farming happening, some of the bhang farming happening, and you have majorly the apple trees. So today we are talking.
Shift into the pool.
No, I saw that place, but that doesn't have that much of a good look of the place. I'll figure it out. And the sun is like behind our sun, right?
Yeah.
So that is also a point. So this is the house that you see. This is a piece of art done by Mr. Lucas. He's a good friend of mine. I know him like 4 years back, 5 years back, I think so.
Yeah.
So we know
4,
each
5
other
years,
since
yeah.
like 4-5 years. Before that, he used to live here. There is another house. He took that and lived there for 2-3 years. Now we'll talk about why he wanted to build his own house instead of not taking a place and enjoy his time, but giving his whole time over here, taking the heavy woods, making the effort to do it by himself, nourish all the walls. There is an emotion that he carries, and he's doing everything at his own. This is Mr. Lucas. All these frameworks, everything we connected, cut ourselves, cutting pieces.
So that's the inside of it. This is going to be the living room with a tandoori and a sitting space, like a rocket mass heating system I want to integrate.
Okay.
So this plate.
Explain me this.
This plate, this metal plate is gonna sit in this height for cooking. Underneath here there will be a firebox for baking. The initial entry of the fire will be here. The fire will be pulled down in this way and hit against this plate from downside, all in channels. Be guided through here, and this is like all gonna be like a bit big kind of bed, bench kind of setup, all made from clay mostly and rocks. Then this is heating all this space and all this clay, all these heavy materials, and this will stay for a long time hot. So like if I make a fire in the morning, I keep it burning for the day, the whole night I'll have a warm house.
Okay. So if we can cook it, and for the heating solution also, both it will be okay.
This is like full integrated solution for cooking, for baking, for heating the house, for having a hot bed. I'm gonna make a drying rack shelf for like drying apple slices, drying apricots, drying herbs and all this stuff. So I do fully integrated solution, and I'm thinking of like a hot water place as well. This would be like if you just have a tub and you have flowing hot water, always like, use it as much as you can.
So buddy.
So some of the ideas which brought me to start building this house in the way I've been doing it. For once, like the places from where I'm coming from Europe, everybody is like once you get a family, you start thinking about making your own house, and mostly what's happening, you take up a lot of loan from a bank, and the rest of your life you're stuck with this, and you lose a lot of your freedom basically. So that brought me to the point that I want to build it simple and to be able to do a lot of work or most of the work by myself. And the story, like, also I'm fascinated with the possibility of
of building a house completely by yourself. Initially, it was always a thought, yeah, you need like professionals to do this and that. And while traveling and different experience and also some input from internet and books, gave me the idea actually it's quite possible to give it a shot and try to do it yourself.
Yes, we can see that. It's happening. It's happening. It's just in front of us.
Kind of. Gonna walk on some boards.
So the whole floor work is also done with the hemp fibers and everything.
Except for you don't need to walk on anything.
What the fuck have you done this, bro? What the fuck is this?
This is the cupboard. The cupboard is actually not a name you can give it anymore.
Fucking nice, man. It's breathing. It's like, oh fuck. Look at this. This is the concept of this room. Tree life, entangled in the nature.
And then here's like a nice cooking setup with the view of the sunset in the evening. You're always
And
gonna
this is
have
the valley.
nice-
You're gonna have a sunset. So from this place, you can watch a sunset every day. What else you want? And this is going to be kitchen.
Exactly. Here's the washing basin. I have like an outlet down here.
Yeah.
And here like the cutting space, so you always have the nice view while you're working. Here's the cooking, the gas stove, and underneath storage for your plates. Whatever. And we made it in such a way that you can also actually work from both sides.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a bunch of friends around, somebody can operate from this side, somebody from this side. Maybe
Yeah,
cooking, baking on
but the guy with the height of you, like 6 feet, gonna stand here, and the person in short height is gonna stand there. Okay, so these are the tiles, natural tiles.
natural tiles. This is yew wood.
And what you gonna put in between of these?
I'm gonna set it with lime.
Tuna. What about that turquoise blue solution that we use? It's hard enough.
Which one?
There's a solution we make now. We put in the middle of the wood to create a table, flat tables and all that. What do you call it?
Resin epoxy.
Resin. We can use that also doing the.
And if we can get a source for like a 50 liter of resin,
Resin,
which
yeah.
is reasonably cheap, then yes.
That will look too blue and earthy.
I was thinking of this. I have some of these slices, they are hollow inside and whatnot.
Uh-huh.
For resin and these ones, and maybe even put like a
Okay.
small LED light underneath and stuff like this. Really trippy.
So where is you gonna bed? Bed is going to be on top of this.
Exactly. This is gonna be like a sleeping area.
Mm-hmm.
And like then actually sleeping space I'm probably planning of making on the second floor.
Okay, so you're gonna have this height, same height of the second floor.
No,
The height is going to be
roof. I wanted to raise the roof.
Now it's possible.
Basically with this
And
kind of
see
roof
through the
construction.
roof solution, the way he built it, all the logs are taking support on each other,
Exactly.
and with the circle or what you can call it, hexagon,
Yeah, it's a hexagon.
pentagon. It's more look like a pentagon.
Actually, it's a hexagon because
hexagon?
it's made up from
Six-
six pieces,
okay.
but like this angle is actually a
Right.
little short, so it's not a perfect hexagon.
So it's a hexagon technique, you say. You don't need any beams, you don't need any concrete, just the long wood piles you have to stack one on the other, and the first one will take the rest of the last one, and the whole load is on this. See how big he have made it, and everything is like taking the whole weight of it. This is the piece of artistry. So I'm here for more than a week, and the best part is that I can cut my finger also at this place only, and I was like cutting the wood for the oven. What I'm experiencing is very nice, because when I talk to him, so he's saying I'm nourishing the wall, so they're gonna give me the warmth that I need. So this is the connection, personal things that we need to talk. He's from Germany, his all friends are well established, they have cars and bikes and everything whatnot. But this guy have a different approach towards the life. He wants to live it in a simple way. He wants to enjoy the life, not the materialistic way, but the way he wanted to.
For me, happiness and peace is like very essential things. Like if you live a life without these some basic things of happiness and like some quiet and peacefulness inside, it's not a life for my perception, you know. And if you look around, so many people sadly end up with society and all of it around to be living this kind of lives. So this is one major point, and important is for me to be living closely connected to nature and to have like this contact. It's much easier to get quiet inside, connect with yourself. And these natural materials which the house was built with or is built with is definitely amplifying this thing. Like for me, in like a concrete jungle, like you have less inspiration, you have less creativity, you have less this voice from inside, like your intuition and whatnot. And this surrounding is surely influencing it. And in the end, we come from Earth and we go back to it. And so
so philosophical.